एंड या दिस इज़ माई रिएक्शन। चल जहाँ पर मैं रिएक्शन अपलोड करूँगा, आई एम नॉट श्योर, मोस्टली फ्लॉपी होगा, बट या अगर फ्यूचर में कोई फ्यूचर से देख रहा है, सरप्राइज मदरफकर, आई एम जस्ट 16-year-old retard, let's go. Fuck my life. Okay, oh my god, the art is pretty good. It looks like a Chinese hentai manga. Not even kidding भाई, ये क्या ग्रैंड ओपन इवेंट, ब्लो आउट सेल, ओके, शेक शेक बूम बूम, ओ माई गॉड, इसको ऊपर लिटाना पड़ा, ओ माई फकिंग, माई लाइफ इज फक्ड, अदर पीपल गेट टू गो टू कॉलेज, ओ माई गॉड, हिज एक्सप्रेशन इज लाइक ब्रो, व्हाई डू आई हैव टू लिव लाइक दिस, आई एम ओनली पुटिंग अप विद इट बिकॉज द पे इज गुड, ओके, लुक ओवर देयर, ओके भाई, एवरीवन इज फकिंग लाफिंग एट हिम, ओ माई गॉड, इमेजिन तुम इस सिचुएशन में हो, माँ की चूत गांड फट जाएगी बहन चूत। मैंने ये किया हुआ है भाई द वे, ऐसा मैंने किया हुआ है, हमारे 7वीं में था, मैं 7वीं भी नहीं 8वीं में था शायद, हमारे एक डांस था शायद, यस, डांस में मैंने ऐसा किया था, गांड फट गई थी मेरी, पूरी मान दुख रही थी उसके बाद, हाँ, बट ओनली अंटिल आई पास माई कॉलेज एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, जैब जैब, हाँ, यू डू इट लाइक दिस, रोटेट योर हिप व्हेन थ्रोइंग अ पंच, ओ माई गॉड, ओके, अरे ऑफकोर्स हाई स्कूल, ओके, हाँ, hey man, how much do you make like this? I feel sorry for him. Oh my god, they look like a fucking, oh my god, this looks, he look like a Eminem, नहीं, Eminem जैसे हेयर स्टाइल है, और ये क्या लिखा है, एप, ओके, oh my god, मैं कुछ अलग ही चीज़ सोच रहा था, तुम्हें पता है मैं क्या सोच रहा था, fuck off भाई, मैं कुछ कैंसिल कर देंगे लोग। Anyways, high school thugs, you don't scare me, I'm an adult now. They are not the same thugs who used to bully me. 8,000, 9,000 on how much do you make by doing this? Is it a minimum wage? Haha, about 9 USD. I'll give them a good scolding. 10,000. My pay is 10,000 on how? He's a lagging PC. Old are you? Wow. Yeah, I stutter. You should know better than you talk to an adult now. So what? You run. Fuck you. Okay. We were just trying to make some fun, but you crossed the line, man. I bet he stutters in his thoughts bubbles too. Oh भाई साहब, भाई अब तो मार दिया, अब मज़ा आने वाला है। हाँ idiot, I do not thank you very much. How do I think I got stutter? Let's go, poor guy. It's because of you thugs. You won't always have the last laugh. Excuse me, are you okay? Let's get some photos. Once I graduate, all of you will be work under me. Just you wait. This may be the 3rd try, but only I pass college entrance exam, graduate and get a job. You'll be sorry, you thugs. Bhai. Imagine thinking like this. This is retarded thinking, bro. How can anyone think like this? I mean, just imagine, just thugs. तो इसको सीरियसली लगता है, अगर ये वो चाहता तो वो उसको मार कर बैंड चोद उसकी टट्टी तक काँप सकता था बहन चोद, पर ये क्या कैसी थिंकिंग है? तुझे लगता है सीरियसली जॉब लेकर तू इसे मार सकता है? वो विदाउट जॉब तेरे पैसे लूट कर चला जाएगा बहन चोद। आई बेट दोज जग हु रूइंड माई लाइफ, ओके, ओ माई गॉड, दे आर लाइक, ओ फकिंग गॉड, ये कौन है भाई? ये पूरे, ओ माई, दिस लुक्स सो फकिंग कूल, ओ माई गॉड, ही लुक्स लाइक द येलो हेयर लुक्स लाइक अ फकिंग a gang leader, of course gang leader ये है वो, and he looks like he smokes a lot. The left side looks like he is like fucking smoker. The Peturam looks like he is a DILF. The girl looks like she is an absolute bitch. The cap one looks like he is a just for fun. I mean, what do you expect? And the last guy looks like he doesn't want to be there. And गांड मैंने इंग्लिश बोल दी भाई, मैं कैसे, oh my god, nice, मेरी इंग्लिश बेहतर हो रही है। द लाइफ मस्ट बी रियल सक नाउ, एंड यू अंचोल जैंग, यू आर द डेविल, आई होप योर लाइफ इज कम्प्लीटली ruined. Hello, my name is Anchol Jung, I am the owner of this store. Oh my god, oh my fucking god, you are the part-time worker for today, right? Oh my fucking god. He is a fucking thug. मज़ा आ गया भाई, ओके, मज़ा आ गया भाई। अंचल चौंगियर इज द ओनर ऑफ द स्टोर। हे अंचल, congratulations on your new store. Oh my fucking, I knew you make it one day, man. You aren't doing so bad out yourself. Oh my god, everybody works so hard to get hired by a big corporation, but they'll never make as much as we do. I tell ya, there are people who good at studying and people who are good at making big bucks. Is that a new beam? Awesome car. This reminds me of high school. Has it been 3 years early? We were such class clones. Anyway, congrats. Can't believe the biggest bully in school has become CEO. No, that's not fair. You're not supposed to be successful. You're supposed to be riding around together. Oh my god. Upside down. His reality is like fucking upside down. Oh my god. ये इसने imagine देखो कैसे किया है. Okay, let's see. But you are the CEOs and right, that's unfair, isn't it, Jingun? The kid who used to stutter, the kid we nickname Jingun because of his stutter, even though his actual name is Jingun. Are you Jingun? No. I got my pay. I should get out of here. Is it you, Jingun? We were in the same class in our second high school. Has it been so long? Why do you have to run of all people? Sorry, haha. I didn't realize, but people tell me I was pretty immature back then. Sorry, haha. Today, actual, sure. Subjected me to an apology. I know I paid you early, but here, take this. Oh my god भाई, this is like a fucking भीख दे रहा है मादर चोद. अगर तुम्हें ऐसा कोई करे क्यों ले, मैं तो नहीं लेगा भाई. Let's see. I can bring myself to take an apology. What I said, give me a sincere apology. My life turned out like because of you all. Why do you? I'm stuck at work when I'm going to stutter. Come on, we were just kids. Don't get here so sensitive. I can't really remember what I did, but alright, I'm sorry. Don't even remember what you did, but every day is a fucking. I don't want it. Want your money? Hey, Chinkun, you can't run away like this. These are the floor below is. Okay. Oh my god. Oh please no. इसेकाई कैसे हो सकता है? My life as a loser. 1 मिनट हो सकता है. No way इसेकाई है भाई. इसका चेहरा देखो. ये 1 मिनट, ये पीटर पार्कर जैसा नहीं लग रहा. नहीं 1 मिनट, ये ना किसी के देखा हो पैरासाइट जैसा लग रहा है ये. That asshole. Let's go. Am I going to die this unexpectedly? Oh my god, no way. He's going back so pitifully with Anil watching. Curse on you, Anil Jug. If only I go. Oh my god. Of course पास्ट में जाना था. और बहनचोद कौन फटाके अभी कौन भेज रहा है? बहन दिवाली आई नहीं है बहनचोद. Anyways, if anyone, oh my god, if only I could make you experience. अरे ये क्या हुआ? अबे यार, इंटरनेट की माँ की चूत. मेरे इंटरनेट की माँ की चूत बहनचोद. 1 मिनट, मुझे लगा कि ऐसे ही शुरू होगा, बट नहीं. ऑफ कोर्स मेरे इंटरनेट की माँ की चूत भाई. ओके, मुझे अभी समझ में आया. लेट्स सी. द सेम पेन एंड सफरिंग आई विल कर्स यू इवन इन माई डेथ. ओके, ही इज बैक ब्रा. व्हाट द फक, where am I? Isn't this my homeroom class? Even I was in front of my store. What the fuck is going on? Is this a dream? Am I dreaming that I am back in high school? Told you, getting hit in temple makes you black out. For real? What the hell? I guess I'm dreaming. This is funny. Another vulnerable sort is I'm just sad. It's just a dream. Good to see you, bitches. Oh my god, are you out of mind? Why does it hurt? Am I not dreaming? Did I really come back to past? Am I really in back? What do you think you're doing, Jinu? Okay. Jinu, me? What the fuck is he talking about? That's me? What? Am I going? What? Wait, what? That's me. What? Am I going over here? And why? Am I Jin Kim? Okay, I said I'll curse you. I want to experience the same suffering I did. I returned to past and met the biggest asshole of all time. The only problem is I think I have to punish that asshole is me. Oh my fucking god. Oh. yes मजा आने वाला है. लाइफ कैसे अपसाइड डाउन हो चुके हैं नहीं. ओके नाइस. सेकंड पे चलते राइट. ओके. Oh my god. High school. Why are you hitting me? Was real fun. I don't know. Why? Because I got bullied to others? Right. We'll fight you as a real. Anchol, it was the survival to the fittest. No one's gonna be home tonight. Wanna come over some drinks? Losers can relate. Why prepare for the future like an idiot when you can be powerful and happy now? I got into man to protect my throne. Are you gonna be pro then, Anchol, right? Nah, I'm just doing it for fun. Grown-ups will shake their hands at me. They said it obvious how a kid like me will turn out after I graduated. I heard so many times that I was sort of nervous, but it turned out that I had a knack for beating people. Ha ha ha. So I went pro as soon as I graduated high school. Okay. It turns out that you can be successful without reading textbooks. With purchase money I won, I opened a cell phone store at site. I did wonder how the gigs turned out. It is you, Jimgan. But it turns out that once a loser, always a loser. I heard he didn't pass the college. I felt sorry for the guy. I know I paid you early, but here, take this. Okay, nice. Yep, messing with losers. So why is so entertaining? Am I now being beaten by my past self? I Anchol Cheng am inside of the loser I bullied 3 years ago. Why? Why am I in Jensu's body? Jensul. How is this? How did you know? Ambar. Oh, you bastard. What you're doing, Mingo? Practicing, ma'am. You used to always suck up to me. There's a move we only use on users. That's now used. I did wrong. You're not doing it right. Want to do an arm bar. If you want to do an arm bar, okay, you need to pull arm towards you more. Okay, you need to pull the arm towards you more. Okay, how do you do like a gluten choke? Hey, a gluten choke? I haven't tried on that. Fuck you fucking assholes, my fist is weeping. Should I wipe all the face of the earth? I can tear them apart from limb to limb. My groundwork was weak back in school, but so I can still beat up the crowd of them. You're gonna regret if you do. Don't you want to return to your body? Who was that? Who? I never done such a guillotine before. Okay, first you grab their head, and then you squeeze them for no reason. You bastard, if you squeeze them right, they should back out of them. I'll kill you. The guillotine choke was all you practiced. 3-2. Look at you acting like it's your first time doing it. You protected it damn well. 1. As expected of the past time, it took exactly 5 seconds. I said I'll make you experience the same fear and suffering. Did I? Oh, how did you feel? Where am I? To the inside of the body you used to believe? That voice is the same I once said. Can it be? Are you Junkin Kim? Yeah, you jackass. I am Jinu K. Kim. The same Jinu K. Kim you always used to believe. Haha, how does it feel to live? You bastard. Why are you doing this to me? Maybe it doesn't feel real yet. Haha. Why am I doing this to you? Well, I didn't know why did you use to me either. You bullied me. Oh yes. This is best, right? This is best. Oh my god. My dopamine is releasing like a fucking कम कम भी इतना रिलीज़ नहीं होगा भाई. इतना डोपामिन मेरा रिलीज़ हुआ है. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स मैं कभी रिलेट नहीं कर पाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं कभी बुली हुआ हूँ नहीं. और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स स्कूल में तुम बुले नहीं होते हो. मानो ना मानो सच्चाई है. हाँ, तो क्योंकि तुम्हारे दोस्त भी तुम्हारी तरह चोमो होते हैं. अब यहाँ पर तुम झूठ तो मैं बोल नहीं सकता. एनीवेज, यू बुलीड मी जस्ट लाइक यू वर टॉलर. यू बुलीड मी जस्ट because you were stronger. Did you enjoy it? Did you have fun? You lived like a king, didn't you? The time has come for me to get my revenge. I am going to enjoy watching you suffer. Haha. Come on, don't be like this. Once I return to my, I'll really be good to you. Can you break the curse, please? Of course I'll tell you. The greater the hope, the greater the despair. I am looking forward to see you struggle. You have to do 2 things to break the curse too. First, stop the ephemeral incidents from taking the place. Because of what you all did, my life has ruined and I got even stutter. What? You fucked up my life. I thought about killing myself every single day because of how much you terrorized me. But there were 4 specific incidents I'll never forget. Those 4 incidents fucking ruined my life. Oh yeah. भाई साहब, just imagine एक पुली हो चुके हो तुम. पता नहीं कितने महीनों से तुम्हें पुली किया जा रहा है. फक भाई, मैं तो सीधा क्या कहते हैं रेजिग्नेशन बेंच स्कूल से. Those 4 incidents fucking ruined my life. Thinking about it is pissing me off again. Do you remember every single one of them? Of course I do. I'm really sorry. Okay, fuck, I'm screwed. I don't remember anything. What were the 4 incidents? I bullied him 24/7. How am I supposed to? What did I do to hold on? Me and my friends were the ones who bullied him. So all I need to stop him. I can tear them apart from him. So what's their step? Sorry, me from past. You weren't thinking about tearing him from limb to limb, were you? Oh my god, your mission is to stop the ephemeral incidents from happening. If you beat everybody up and stop it, your past self and your friends will be too scared to bully you. Then the ephemeral won't transpire. So what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to sit here and let that happen? Fine, I'll let the small incidents go. But remember, if you change too much of the past, the ephemeral incident won't come to pass. Okay, I get it. So small changes to the past are okay, right? So what's the second thing I have to do? Second one, simple. Make your past self clean up his shit. Ha 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 ha. Damn, I've checked again. You're going to need it in the loser's body to try make your past self. Oh my fuck, but this loser's body is so weak. How am I supposed to stop the 4 ephemeral? What is ephemeral incidents? I don't know what the fuck is ephemeral. And my turn and turn my past self into a proper person. Oh my, this is so fucking interesting. Oh my god, कितने बजे हैं भाई? 11:43 बजे हैं। और मुझे पढ़ाई कब करनी है यार? भाई जब मुझे अभी पढ़ाई करनी थी 11 बजे। ओह माय गॉड, नहीं 10 बजे, नहीं 11 ही बजे, नहीं 10 बजे, 10:43। मैं पढ़ाई कब करूँ? 12-1 बजे करूँगा। चलो पढ़ाई, कितने लेसन बचे हैं मेरे? 1 मिनट बॉयज़। 12वीं के स्टूडेंट को कुछ आता नहीं है, भैंचो मेरी डूमर लाइफ बन चुकी है और ऊपर से गांड फटी पड़ी है मेरी 12वीं के बोर्ड्स के लिए। मैंने बहुत कुछ पढ़ाई की नहीं है, अभी पढ़ाई शुरू कर रहा हूँ मैं। इनफैक्ट 3-4 महीने बचे तो एक घंटा पढ़ा, 1 घंटा टाइम पास, 1 घंटा ऐसे ऐसे करके कैसे तैसे कर रहा हूँ। ओके, फक दैट गॉड डैम गिलोटन चोक, हेल्प मी आउट लाइक light pastime. What? I'm supposed to stop FML mistaking for flesh and make myself turn into leaf? I don't even know what the incidents are. What the hell does he want me to do? Jinhu, be quiet. Holy shit. What's wrong with glasses? This Anchol put me into it. Haha. Wise combination. He wants me to guess his birthday. I guess it's my fault. Hey, I even did this stuff. You know Anchol's birthday? 0520. I unlock it for you. You are so perfect. Thanks for the tip. It is pretty damn funny through. Haha. Okay, anyway, we have to be quiet. We are dead meat if Anchol wakes up. Okay, what? He said only group 3 gets to talk when he is sleeping. Remember, he said he'll kill anyone from the groups 1 and 2 talk if they talk. That's right. I did said that, didn't I? Oh my god, he's forgotten everything. So everybody stayed calm like this. I don't even cause I always sleep. Ginu, you must gaze upon him with respect. Alright, everybody, quiet down. How far did we get in our last lesson? Sit and open your textbook. Wow, it's been a while I've seen the teacher. Who's that sleeping in the back? You there, wake up. Okay. What? Why is everybody looking at me? He wants me to wake myself up, so I'll wake. Okay, what's the deal? Why the hell is he sleeping during the class anyway? ओके, अब मज़ा आने वाला है। अब कुछ मज़ा ईगो इज समथिंग दैट इज़ फकिंग सुपीरियर, नहीं तो इन्फीरियर होगी भाई तुम्हारी। मानो ना मानो, अगर तुम्हारे पास बॉडी है तो शायद सुपीरियर होगी। एनीवेज, लेट्स गो भाई। माइंडसेट मैटर करता है एंड ऑफ द डे। देखो भाई कैसे मारा भैन चोद एक बार में। इनके एक्सप्रेशन देखो भाई, क्या रिएक्शन के लिए देख रहा हूँ मैं भैन चोद। ये वेबटून रिएक्शन के लिए देख रहा हूँ, क्या रिएक्शन कंटेंट है ये बहन चोद। इसका अच्छा तो मैं तारक मेहता देख ली, उसमें अच्छे एक्सप्रेशन होते हैं। व्हाट्स द बिग डील भाई, क्यों? वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ। व्हाई द हेल इज स्लीपिंग ड्यूरिंग द क्लास एनीवे? बराबर है कि नहीं? ओह माय गॉड, ही लुक्स लाइक अ फकिंग मैन जिसका लंड खड़ा हुआ, बट उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड को वापस उसने देखे पर उसका लंड वापस नीचे चला गया और बाद में उसे पता चला कि ही हैज़ एडी। Oh my god. Let's go. What are you doing, Jinu? How could you hit our sleeping master in the head? Okay, hurry. Beg for forgiveness, huh? That's strange. Why isn't anything happening? Okay, I see. No, thanks. There's no way Jinu will dare hit him. He thinks he was dreaming. Wow, I can't believe he's okay. You're incredible. Today's the 17th, right? Come up here and solve everything. Who's number 17? Hurry up and get there. Okay, number 17 is master. Who's Anchol Gag? Get up here. That teacher always beats up with his stick whenever he gets a problem in it. I'm already afraid of what will happen during our breaks. He's definitely going to take his anger on us. Hey, what she's doing? Does he have to get... Okay, Jinnu. He took the master place? Yes, I am Anchol Gang. Anchol Gang, why? I see, Jinnu. So you volunteered as a... Fuck, that's right. I am Jinnu, not Anchol Gang. To forget it. Yes, it's better to take a beating than around. I don't know. It's pitiful. It's better to sacrifice your butt. What a goof. He's pretty funny. Damn. Haha, he's happy. What a moron. What's his deal? Master Anchol is smiling. Oh my god. Body blow for no reason. Me for no reason. ये खा भोसड़ी के और बहुत खा भैंचोद। मज़ा आने वाला है भाई ये। Okay, Brazilian kick for no reason. I'm speechless. I thought I was dreaming. I heard you're one who cuffed my cross the back. Okay. Wow, Anchol, your Brazilian kick was awesome. Unbelievable. As expected of our own future MMA fighter. Yes, I know it. Jin, the jerk off hit you in the back of your head. Ha. You thought you could make up for it by taking a beating for me, didn't you? Fucking asshole. I'm seriously, what's his deal? This one to gonna kill you. If you change too much past, you won't able to return to your body. Sorry. Okay, why do you keep making a bad person, Simpson? It's all because of you didn't educate properly. Sorry, that fucking asshole. So I have an idea. What do you think? That sounds fun. What the hell is this, Simpson? Hey Dabin, come here. Let me see your hair. My hair? Just one. What the heck? Okay, consider yourself dead if the strands of hair. I'm gonna check if every break. You better not to try and use somebody else's hair. Smile, boys. You're fucking hilarious, Simpson. You piled out my hair and to do this? How pathetic and immature. I'm definitely back in high school again. Jinu, I need to pee. You goddamn otaku. Jinu was slowly. It might be Snap. Shut up, otaku. Stop. Gross. I think your boyfriend's walking by. Do we have to play together, June? Shut up before I kick your ass. Okay, why are you swearing so much? It's not like you. Okay, Miggy Simpson. I can't believe you're trying to screw me over, you ass licker. ass licker मतलब ये झूठ नहीं हो सकता. Are they laughing at me? I am Anchol gang. How dare this loser laugh at me? And even I have to go through bathroom with this goddamn otaku. If it wasn't for the curse, I will do whatever I want. Watch your. We are going to otaku. Hey, it snapped. What are you doing, goddamn otaku? We are gonna get our ass kicked. Okay, wait a minute. Did I just get a strand of hair happening? Have you been traumatized by all the bullying? I'm Anchol Jag. This kind of shouldn't scare me. But you have to stay strong. Don't let them at you. We just need to hold until we graduate. If we let ourselves feel intimidated by their bullying, we are going to give. Let's make it to graduation and earn lots of money so we can have the last one. You otaku? What anime did you get? मैं भी कभी कभी देखता हूँ. ओके, ये मोटिवेशनल लाइंस जो अभी जस्ट मैंने विनलैंड सागा जो एनीमे देखा था. विनलैंड सागा में कौन सा था भाई? एक मिनट में भूल गया पैंचुत. विनलैंड सागा में था अ ट्रू वॉरियर डजंट नीड हिज सॉर्ड. क्या सही लाइन है ना, ट्रू वॉरियर मतलब लिटरली क्या सही लाइन है. उस बंदे ने जो उसका पापा है उस बंदे ने सीधा फिश से गांड मारी है कि एंड और एक कोट था भाई वहाँ पर. क्या सही कोट था. एवरीवन इज स्लेव टू देमसेल्फ. ओ माय गॉड भाई क्या सही चीज़ है. एवरीवन इज स्लेव. मैं भी स्लेव हूँ मोबाइल के लिए. मेरा मोबाइल के बिना जाता नहीं है दिन. और मेरा डोपामाइन मोबाइल ही रिलीज़ करता है भाई यूट्यूब वीडियोस. ओ माय गॉड मैं मेरी चीज़ क्यों मुझे अगर किडनैप करना होगा तो मोबाइल दिखा दोगे. एनीवेज मेरी सांस फूल रही है. व्हाट एनीमे डिड यू गेट दोज लाइन्स फ्रॉम? डोंट वरी जिनो. Do you think I'm a loser like his? I have a collection of Dabin's hair. Will be Daijobu for few months with these strands. Okay in Japanese. What the hell has been collecting hair? Oh my Brazilian kick coach. Hey Juno, I see the hair has snapped. How Brazilian? Okay Simpson, get over here. We got to do. Of course, you bastard. And what the hell is that crimson roll? You're late. It's time for title match. Why aren't you getting ready? Get into position. I can guarantee what will happen if you don't. Before I got Dempsey, I thought he'll just punch me or kick me, but I can't believe. Okay, he's practicing Demon's rolls on me. Fucking hell. Oh my god, it's so goddamn embarrassing. Okay, why the hell I have to do this? It's side steps Simpson, and then look at this. How? Oh my god, my second practice partner is too weak. You bastard. And you, how are you gonna win the belt like this? Can call yourself woman? I want to kill him so bad. I'm gonna start counting, 5 4 3 is me to beat the crap out of me, but he is my past self. You're not even good at practicing. What will you do? You're so fucking frustrated, man. But Simpson, why do I want to beat him for no reason? You aren't me. My fist is weakening. Screw the past. Should I wipe them off my face? I can tear them. If you change the alright, let's try the new. Yeah boy, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back. Let's go. Oh my god, you student, I am this. You used to suck up always like me, but you disrespect now. I'm a loser. I'm gonna let it go. I'm never gonna forgive Mingyu. He's only doing it to brown myself, my past self. Who gave you permission to take a piss? Didn't I told you to ask for permission? That's goddamn funny. Haha. Do you think you are Anchol or something? I got your face. It was. Are you still paying? That's it. That was last straw. Hey Simpson, are you out of mind? Okay, manners. Okay, man. You motherfucker. Okay, if you change. Fuck off. Are you out of it? Shit crap. I'm gonna use whoop your ass, motherfucker. Let's go भाई मैं भी नहीं करता हूँ इसलिए. अगर मैं कोई bully होता तो पर करना तो पड़ता है जब भाई पर्सपेक्टिव मैटर्स. कितनी सही चीज़ है ना। अब पर्सपेक्टिव फकिंग मैटर्स भाई। यहाँ पर कितने मिनट हो गए हैं? फैन जो 25 मिनट हो भी गए क्या? I'm gonna whoop your ass, motherfucker. Oh my god. Hey, Chinu. Haha, I guess you're trying to act enough shut. Huh? It's been a while since I got used to. Okay, if you wanna fight, what just happened? Did you just? You have to weep your soul, make me fall. That goddamn floor is so simply. I must be stripping. There's no way the losers. Okay, बहुत मतलब बहुत आला. Why does it hurt so much? Okay, he's so scrammy though. Has he recently taken up? If you're gonna hurt more, cause where's your liver is? Since when, you goddamn bastard? But I'm still taller, heavier, and then okay, I'm gonna pick you up. Okay, he still remember the loser's punching power. How to give someone a good beating is damn weak. Is someone important? He wasn't too short. You fucking dead punk. Having a shot. How uncomfortable. Oh my god. How could I lose to this loser? Am I dreaming? Haha. You changed the past. You're done for Anshul. What the heck? Is it really doing? Yeah, I mean, there's no way I got beaten by Jinu. It's too unreal for a dream. I probably quit. Do you think you're dreaming? Damn it. Really quit school? Why, you little? Don't press your luck or else. What are you gonna do, dumbass? Should I tell everybody that you're gonna beat them by a loser? Oh my, should I just show everybody what happened? Which would you prefer? Why, you little? Why do you feel so emanated? It's like talking to Anshul. What the hell do you want? No, we are talking. What do I want? It's nothing much. From now on, report back to me on everything Anshul does. I want to know who he talks to, what he's thinking, and even how many times he shifts a day. Why do you want to know about him? That's none of your business. Don't make it obvious that I beat you up. Treat me the same way you always have. If you do that, you're very good. Or we can go to the field and I can beat you some more. Oh my god, I got it. I report back to you. Thanks, friend. Keep it a secret. He's too proud to tell anyone what happened anyway, so it works out for the better. The past won't be changed, and the bonus, I have a spy to keep an eye on my past self. I shouldn't just beat him a long time ago. As long as nobody finds out, the past won't change. Right, Jinko Kim? Only saw the whole thing, son of a bitch. Okay, I feel so refreshed. Now I can beat Mingyu whenever someone pisses me off. How Jinu put up in school? He didn't even have anyone to beat up when he pissed was off. Did he beaten up Liu? Is you pervert or what? But anyway, one of the packs of this. Here we go. Okay, we'll never get caught if you make jerk off with cigarettes. He is the one who'll get teachers. Was Jinu bullied by the other girls too? Am I cigarette candy? How fucking annoying. You don't mind, do you? You lost your mind? Okay. Seriously, nuts, jerk off. You seriously nuts, jerk off. You're gonna tell Anshul if you press. Okay, thinks girls are fucking annoying. You have your fucking little shits. You have little fight then, haha. Are you okay, jerk off? Huh? It's Dabin Park. Stop swearing. That's right. Dabbing was always an insult. You followed me around much. That called girl version of me. Wanna get some Oriental? Okay. Wanna get some Binshunshu after school and chol? No, it makes my teeth. It does wanna go to dentist. Don't follow me. I feel a little sorry about ignoring her now. She's so nice. Maybe I'll little friend her. Got a bitch. That wish bitches. Okay. What just happened? Sorry, Dabin. Okay, didn't I tell you not to call Anshul while I was smoking Dabin? Is this your true personality? You are pretending to be golden because you liked me? What are you fucking looking at, you bitch? So this is why she's the girl version. What's with the dirty look? Looks like you need to be taught a lesson. Simpson, come on, teach him a lesson. Everybody was looking at me. That jerk was glaring at me. I'll tell him. What are you doing? Treat me like you always have, like normal. Okay. You know, we are acting weird today, Dabin. What about Anshul do you like? What? His good looks or how does he perform? When are you going to perform? Shut up, you strings. She's embarrassed. Ah, come on, you're so cute, animal. Because he's like an animal. What? An animal. There's a distinct scent of blood that comes from a strong male. He's always cool, but of course he's really cool. When he's inside the ring, covered with his... Oh my god. You girls don't see the beast? Oh my god. बीस्टैलिटी इज़ द वर्स्ट. भाई तुमने कभी देखा है बीस्टैलिटी वाला? ओह माय गॉड, मैंने एक एनीमे देखा था. एनीमे ने हिंट आया था शायद. द इनविंसिबल क्या था भाई, मैं भूल गया भाई. द इनविंसिबल शॉट, इनविंसिबल स्टड था एंटायर, एंड उसमें बीस्टैलिटी थी. भाई साहब के चुतिया. बीस्टैलिटी देखी है मैंने, ऐसा नहीं थी बीस्टैलिटी थी. एनीवेज, व्हाट द फक आई वाज सेइंग. वेयर आर वी गोइंग दाबिन? आई एम गोना टेल मिंग्यू टू टीच जिनो रियल वेल. ओके, दिस इज गोना बी फन. This is gonna be the fun. Fuck, I'm screwed. What's going on? She saw me beat Junior. The past will change if she goes around till I get your ass over here, you bitch. I was gonna go easy on you girls though. How dare you little shit talk to me, but Gino is a loser. Oh my fucking god. So why do I see a beast around? Is she gonna tell that? Oh my god. Oh my, don't tell me this is gonna change like a fucking unordinary shit. Oh my god, no way भाई. Oh वो आर कितना लॉन्ग आर्क था भाई. मैं पढ़ने में ज्ञान पड़ गई. कौन सी चल रहा है भाई देवे मेरा. ओके 5वां चल रहा है भाई. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. दैट्स ऑल.